Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking for a walk-around mobile aerator for a lawn, this video is for you. So what we have here is a handheld aerator, and it assembles in three pieces. You have the bottom piece, middle piece, top piece. Has just these little push pins in here that allow it to slide in, so you can take it apart if you want for storage purposes. Pops in place. It can actually be go all the way down from a storage standpoint, but it has two height adjustments here and then a height adjustment here. So if you were wanting to kind of get low to the ground, you could definitely do that. In the lowest position off the ground, it is right at about 33 inches. And the highest position is about 38 inches. The width on it from a usable area is about 11 inches by about 4 inches. That kind of gives you an idea. This looks to be made out of a aluminum, powder coated aluminum. This area down here is a little bit more heavier gauge. Some close up of it. So when you step on it, spikes it in. There's some springs here that allow it to pop back in place like that. So you got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 spikes. Spikes are going to go down, say about 1.5 inches, maybe about 2 inches. They kind of go down. Easy to use. Just put your foot on it, step down, pull it up. Close up, step down, pull up. So it might even grab some dirt, which might be good. Now, if you wiggle it around like this, you're going to create bigger holes and kind of really... And if you were in a hurry and you didn't want to put some weight here, let's say the soil was not as dense, not as hard, and you just want to force it down, you can definitely do that without even stepping here. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give it a try? Do a little tutorial, we'll do a little overview. Tell us what you think about our handheld aerator. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.